Emma wakes up early. Today she is going to her grandpa's house. She is curious because grandpa has a new surprise in his garden. Emma loves surprises. She quickly eats her breakfast and gets ready to go. Emma arrives at grandpa's house. Grandpa smiles when he sees her. "Hello, Emma," he says. "Are you ready to see the garden surprise?" Emma nods excitedly. Grandpa takes Emma to the garden. Emma sees many flowers and plants. She can smell the fresh air. In the corner of the garden, there is something new. It is small, red, and shiny. Emma walks closer. "Look," says Grandpa. "This is a new apple tree. It is still small, but it will grow big." Emma touches the small tree gently. "Wow, Grandpa, it is beautiful," she says. They walk around the garden. Grandpa shows Emma the tomatoes. "These are ready to pick," Grandpa says. Emma picks a tomato and holds it in her hand. It is warm from the sun. After picking tomatoes, Grandpa shows Emma the pond. "Look at the fish," says Grandpa. Emma sees colorful fish swimming happily. She watches them with joy. The fish move quickly in the water, and Emma claps her hands. Grandpa then points to a bench under a big tree. "Let's sit and have some lemonade," he says. Emma and Grandpa sit down. The lemonade is cold and sweet. Emma feels happy and relaxed. As they sit, they talk about school and friends. Emma tells Grandpa about her favorite book. Grandpa listens carefully. He loves hearing Emma's stories. The sun begins to set. The sky turns orange and pink. Emma looks around the garden. She feels peaceful. She thanks Grandpa for the wonderful day. Grandpa smiles and says, "The garden is always open for you, Emma." Emma hugs Grandpa. She feels warm inside. They both wave goodbye as Emma leaves. On her way home, Emma thinks about the apple tree. She can't wait to come back and see it grow. Emma feels lucky to have such a nice grandpa and a lovely garden to visit. The day ends, but Emma's heart is full of warmth and joy. She looks forward to another day at Grandpa's garden.